These are the empty boxes. Oh no, not empty. All with lashes. These are some box. This is lashes glue. It's imported from Korea. These are some display boxes. We have big ones and small ones. If you want to display different patterns of lashes to your clients. And the black ones also. This is 4 layers, also small ones. This box also we only us have this box. It can put the glue here. Logo on the bottles. This is a lashes stock. $3D of 16 to 18 mm mink lashes. All these are with DQ. DQ is nature style, very nature style. And DH. A series, very nature style. Yes, and these are some display boxes. I can show you. You can put different patterns in the box. This is a magnet. If you have a cosmetic store, or for your inventory, for you to show to your customers. Let's check. Suitcase lashes box. It's for 2 pairs. This big box is for 2 pairs, 25 mm. It can put 2 pairs. Different pattern, also colorful ones. The trees are very hard. It's of good quality. Our factory is not at the downtown, and we dispatch from here. We dispatch your orders from dispatching. Oh, this one also interesting. This bottle you can open from here and put the lashes inside. Jingle bell. And the band. If you want to, this is luggage or suitcase lashes package. It's for four pairs, and we also have the one-piece tree for 4 pairs.